The Bank of Japan did not end up raising their interest rates yesterday, but they did announce in their June meeting, based on the fact that current data is not as good as we previously expected, we may actually see that rate cut take place then. And we're already seeing the price drop in response. It's not quite the crash we were full on expecting if a cut actually happened, but we have officially, at this point, rejected resistance with red dots, and we appear to be dropping quickly. As the price drops towards support on this bear flag pattern and makes its fourth touch, it's imperative that you know how to catch the absolute bottom in case the price finally crashes through the bear flag to complete this pattern. If that happens, it could be the bottom of the bear market, and I'm going to show you what signals you need to be watching for, the historical data to back it up, and how to set alerts so you don't miss it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. This week we have our Inner Circle live Zoom meeting with all of our members. It is live training and Q&A with the founder of Trade Confident, Travis Martin himself. So if you want to join us, be sure to snag a membership in the description and get access to our trading portal along with our future forecast weekly training videos. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. We sit in mild caution after topping out with red dot signals touching resistance. Based on the move down, I do believe we've rejected and are likely to head back towards a level of around $70,000. At that point, we need to be ready. If we are still fairly high, looking at mild caution or even just caution, and especially if we check the volume bubbles indicator and begin getting red volume bubbles towards the structure support. Previously, we've gotten green volume bubbles to show strong levels of buying towards support, but if we get a red bubble, just as we did back here near support, this is where we're likely to crash back down. So bring up the volume bubbles too. It's going to be a crucial indicator to watch. If we crash below this level, I'm not looking to enter at support, I'm looking to enter on the crash. We want to see the price drop into fear or max fear. And at the same time, we want to see a green dot. This has historically called the absolute bottoms of the bear market. Just as we can see in 2022, fear with a green dot called the absolute bottom before massive moves up. And in addition, many fantastic entries before that. 2018, same deal. We see the price drop right here into fear. We get a green dot. It calls the absolute bottom and a couple of great other entries in this zone. You can see how crucial it is that you watch for this same set of signals, because missing out on these signals could mean missing out on the absolute bottom of Bitcoin. Even a couple of percent off could mean the difference between gaining or losing hundreds or even thousands of dollars of profit. And again, these indicators called the exact bottoms of Bitcoin in the last two bear markets. Let's set some alerts to make sure you don't miss it. First up, we want to set the market cycle highs and lows to fear. Set it to once per bar close and click create. Next alert, market cycle highs and lows again. This time it'll be max fear, once per bar close and click create. Last alert, it'll be the Pro Trade Manager looking for a long entry short take profit. You shouldn't need to change that. Once per bar close, click create. Fear and max fear lets you know, of course, when we've dropped into fear and max fear. If you see either one of these alerts and then you see at the same time long entry short take profit, this means a green dot is formed and you may have just found the exact bottom or at least very close to it. This is likely to play out over the next couple of months, so stay tuned, stay patient, and be ready for the best entry we can get. If you don't have these indicators on your chart yet, now is the time to snag them. And if in a couple years you've missed the Bitcoin bottom, you're going to wish you had these available when the bottom happened. On top of money-making benefits like the Inner Circle, trading portal, and future forecast videos, our traders get access to the AI indicators at a massive discount. All you need to do is head into the description of the video you're watching right now, and membership is the second link. Click that. It's going to bring you to our sign up page where we're giving you 25% off your first month. That's less than $50 to get started. Head to the AI indicators. Pro Trade Manager is what you're looking for. Reveal the coupon code here. It's $150 off each the Pro Trade Manager, the market cycle highs and lows, and the volume bubbles for a maximum $450 off. Click checkout on Gumroad. I want this. Market cycle highs and lows is down here. Click that and add it to cart. Throw in the volume bubbles to add it to cart. Enter your discount code, again, $450 off total. Fill in your information, click pay, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for the future forecast tomorrow and the Inner Circle live Zoom hangout later this week. Don't miss out.